Did you know that you can ask AI to do literally anything you want inside of your HighLevel account? So this is the new Ask AI interface, and it's absolutely awesome. It sits right here inside of your navigation in the top left, and you can see it is a visual and chat-based interface for us to talk to AI, and we can ask it to do anything we want inside of a HighLevel CRM. Now, when I say anything, there is a set amount of tools that it has access to, and if you want to know what those tools are, just ask it. Say, tell me all the tools you have access to and what you can do, and you'll get back something like this, showing that you can do things like read, create, update, and manage data across the platforms like contact data, conversations, etc. You can create images. You can do support, so asking it how to do different things inside of your HighLevel account. So this makes people like me obsolete because it knows exactly what's happening in your account, and it can actually help support you inside of your HighLevel. And then it can also do web search to get real-time information from the internet and pull it in and integrate it with whatever workflow you're trying to do inside of HighLevel. Inside of your CRM, you can search, create, and update contacts. You can create appointments, book slots, manage your conversations. So you can actually send messages to customers from here. You can create invoices, campaigns, emails, and so much more. And if you're wondering how this can actually plug into your workflow, my best advice is to use this list of tools along with any AI that you want in order to come up with some prompts to send this in order to do some useful things inside of your business. Feel free to screenshot and use this prompt inside of any AI platform that you want. I use this in order to create different prompts in order to use Ask AI best within my business. So you can ask AI to create 5 helpful prompts tailored to your business and whatever your niche is in order to do some useful things with Ask AI. Now let me show you an example of this because this is so cool. So if we click the Ask AI logo in the top left, we'll see we have a sidebar here so we can manage different conversations and such. It can only do one conversation at once, so make sure that you only do one and let it finish its run before moving on to a next prompt. But here's a really basic example of what I did with Ask AI. First, I asked it to create an email template to prompt my customers to book a call at my business and then schedule it to send it to customers with a specific tag, this time being engaged. This is a real business use case I'd want to do. I want to email my customers telling them to book a call with me. So what it'll do is you'll see it actually loads skills. So this is so cool. It actually has access to AI skills in order to find bulk emails and do different things inside of your sub account. It'll then go through the process. It went ahead and created the email template with the title, the subject line, the preview text, etc. It's got the email body. You can see the template ID here, and over here, if we go over to marketing and then emails and then templates, you can see right here, there is our book a call for engaged customers that was created inside of our HighLevel account. Now, this is exactly one of those prompts that I got whenever I prompted my other AI system to give me some prompts to send to Ask AI. We're telling it to pull all paying customers from our CRM with their invoice history, total lifetime value, and last purchase date, pull in any custom fields for things like usage, feature adoption, support tickets, etc., products and services, and then segment the customers into high value at risk, growth ready, dormant, or new customers. Then for each segment, we're creating a personalized email campaign, 2 to 3 product service recommendations, a limited time offer graphic for that group of people, and then a CRM workflow in order to tag contacts and send the email through HighLevel. And it took a couple of minutes, but it went through this entire process, first pulling all of our contacts, which ones are leads, invoices, custom fields, engagement fields, names of leads, tags, email status, etc. It's pulling all of this automatically in here, even for some things that we didn't ask. I didn't ask it to pull in their email status of if they have an email, if they're bounced or invalid or unverified. But all this is really helpful for figuring out where those customers are at so we can segment them appropriately. Then you can see our segmentation framework it made for us. I didn't give this to it. It made it completely on its own with rules of LTV and tags and opportunities and etc. Then it built those personalized email campaigns for each of those groups. So we've got for growth ready, we've got for dormant, high value, new customers. And then lastly, the image generation part, it made these images and they are not that bad. This is so cool because now we can use these inside of our email templates, inside of our campaigns. We can just send it to the customer. And we've got one for we miss you, let's make it right. We've got one for growth ready. That looks fantastic. We've got another one for dormant, telling them to reignite their results. And another one for new customers. These are actually some of the best AI images I've ever seen it actually create. These are useful. I could actually use these inside of an email campaign. So I think this is awesome. And then we can see in phase 5, we've got our workflow proposals, all the different workflows it wants to create. If you do give it a really big prompt, it might segment it out into different workflows, but that's essentially how it works. We've got all of our different projected revenue impacts and everything of what this process is going to do. So this is so freaking cool. Again, the best way to use this is to get all those tools that Ask AI uses inside of HighLevel, send them to another platform, figure out which tools you want to use so you can give it a really specific prompt. Don't just tell it, send an email to my customers. That's not going to be really useful. You need to give it context and tell it which tools it's going to use and be as specific as you can inside of your prompting with Ask AI. This is super awesome. I can't wait for you guys to use this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment on this video or check out the blog. As always, my name is Andrew and thank you very much for watching.